it has got two sections. One is free section and other is subscription section. The free section contains 5 books: non-medical, medical, bonus and chart, NB forms, PS and claims forms, Prerana archives and Prerana update. These non-medical and medical charts contains non-medical and medical reports. All the charts are given over here. Bonus rates for 1920, bonus rates for 1819, historical bonus rates under the plans introduced after 1/1/2014, all the bonus rates from 2014 onwards, and historical bonus rates under all the old plans for the last 35 years. You will get under this. Of course, this pension rates from 1988 and how to convince the prospects to keep Jeevan Saral policy in force. These are covered under non-medical, bonus and loyalty addition charts. Then comes NB forms. NB forms you get various addendums. All types of addendums are there. Then business insurance forms, DGH for revivals, general forms, income proofs, medical questionnaire, medical reports, MHR forms, medical reports of ministry, MWP addendums, NRI forms, occupational queries, all proposal forms will be there. Latest proposal forms you will get. All type of proposal forms are there. Then settlement options, SSS forms and Swiss Re forms. So all NB forms you will get at your fingertips. Then comes PS and claims forms. PS and claims forms you get all death claims forms, disability claim forms, health insurance claim forms, loan and surrender, lost policy forms to get duplicate policy, NEFT forms, nomination assignment forms, revival, DGH, SBN maturity claim and specimen signature forms. So in short, you will get all the required forms at your fingertips. You don't have to search for the forms on the social media platforms or ask your development officer for that. So you will get everything at your fingertips. The next book is Prerana Archives. Prerana Archives gives details of all the plans withdrawn from 2003 onwards. So you get all the plans withdrawn from April 2003 to January 2014. You get all the plans details. You click on this, you will get details of the plans that will help you in servicings. Plus plans withdrawn after 1/1/14, all the new plans which are withdrawn subsequently, you will get details of those also that will help you in servicing your existing customers. And the fifth book under this free section is Bima Shri and Jeevan Shiromani. How to pitch these plans, what are the details, what are the loyalty addition rates, how to pitch the plans. You will get ready reckoners also. That will help you to sell the big ticket plans, this Bima Shri and Jeevan Shiromani, with confidence. Now the second part is concerned with subscription books. These have 5 books again. The number 1 is Prerana Induction training book. You will get how to make use of this LIC agency carrier, what are the benefits of the agency carrier, all the details, financial tables, how to calculate the future value and present values, about life insurance, concepts, etc. All the concepts will be there, and more focus will be on prospecting, how to do prospecting, how to prepare the prospecting list, survey forms, and how to set up the appointments. The basic thing required for any agent to become successful is to do prospecting and calling. If you focus on these 2 activities, then there is no problem for you to achieve success in this profession. Then comes the need-based selling steps are given here. And individual insurance plans and details. What are the plan, feature, condition, basic contracts, key man insurance, partnership insurance, employer-employee insurance details, and servicing needs of the prospects, and how you should keep your records so that you can do self-analysis to grow further. So this is covered under Prerana Induction Training Book 1. Prerana Induction Training 2 deals with about information about LIC, brief history of LIC, objective and mission, profile of LIC as on 31st March 20, LIC results and death claim analysis that will help you to project LIC in a better way and sell with confidence. You can tell the prospects about the strength of the LIC with confidence. Then basic underwriting rules, minimum underwriting rules which are required for an advisor to know. These are basic rules are covered under this book. Get all the plans details, this term insurance plan, whole life plans, endowment plans, all the plans with updated information at a glance at one page. You will get all the details. It gives complete plan features, conditions and underwriting rules of that particular plans at a glance. Then come plans combination based on the concept, which plan combinations you should propose to the prospects. You will get in this. And also various charts, plans at glance, plans as per age at entry, interest rates, non-medical charts. Everything is there. Backdating rules, bonus rates, FPS, agents commission rates and tax laws and life insurance. So it in short covers each and every aspect which an agent should need to sell with confidence, to increase his basic knowledge. Everything is covered. Number 3, third book is Underwriting Rules Simplified. You will get all underwriting rules over here in details. Right from age proof, SUC, non-medical, medical, insurance on female lives, minor lives, major students, NRIs, financial underwriting, business insurance. Everything required for underwriting is explained in details in a simplified way. It will increase your confidence level. You can submit all your requirements while submitting the proposal itself and get your proposals completed much quicker and faster. The fourth book is most important, club membership book. You will get all club rules in details and how to qualify. There are 3 ways to qualify, it was explained. You can choose in which way you want to qualify much quicker and easier, and all the benefits of club members are also given. Then all schemes of advances. What are the advances available to the agents? You can study it and make use of this. And all agency regulations, Agency Regulation 2017, board policies, everything you will get in this club membership book. And fifth book is Jeevan Umang. Jeevan Umang is exclusive book designed by me. You read this book, you will get different ideas of how to pitch this plan in different way and sell the big ticket plan. This is a big ticket plan being accepted in the market very well. You focus on this plan and get all your queries resolved and sell with confidence.